Having some technical difficulties right now. But anyways, welcome back you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. I'm really excited to show you guys this foundation look that I have today because I'm just feeling really bored right now and I just need something to do. So yeah, we're just gonna see what goes and like what type of look comes to my mind because I don't know. Okay. So anyways, let's get back on track. The first thing I want to do is we're going to do my foundation. Well, I'm going to do my foundation. So let's get started. I've already moisturized my skin, but I did the vitamin C cream from Tao Skincare. It's the line that I carry for my business, for my aesthetics business. So go ahead and prep your skin with that. We're going to go ahead and prime the skin, and the one that I'm using is the Angel Veil Primer right here. So this one's really nice because it's oil free, so it's really great for all skin types. So we're just going to go ahead and put that all over the skin. Make sure it's a really nice and even application. Just so you guys know, all of these videos, like, they're not promoted by anybody, so this is all my review. So about the Angel Veil Primer, it is oil free, but I would say like for clients that have more oily skin, it's best just to get something a little bit less thick as this one, because this one's really thick, so that might not be the best for your clients that have oily skin. So now the foundation we're going to be using is the Tarte Amazon Clay Foundation. So this color is in light medium sand. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some. So the way that I do it is I apply it to the back of the palette. It's easier to mix and everything, so we're just going to go ahead and apply a little bit. And I'm going to do 2 parts of my highlighter. What I'm going to be using is this NYX Liquid Illuminator. It's called Sunbeam. So we're just going to go ahead and do a little bit. So as you can see, I'm only going to apply like one little squeeze because you don't want to look too highlighted. So it's really important to start through the middle part first. Then you can go in like small circles. I know a lot of people like to use the beauty blenders, but right now, you know, I like to use this brush. It's just a really convenient brush. It's a dual fiber, so you could use it with powder products or you can use it with cream products, so it's really nice. You could use both. So I've already done my brows, so let's be careful with this area because that one's okay. The concealer that I've been using lately is this Camouflage Cream from Dermacolor. It's from Kryolan, I don't even know, but it's from Dermacolor. What's really nice about this, if you're on-the-go makeup artist, you have all of the different shades that you could possibly need. So you have like lights and mediums, then you open it like this, and then you have the darker colors. So it's really nice that you have such a variety of colors. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these colors. It's really nice since it just pops right out like this. You can see. And then you can just use as needed how much product you need. And this product also goes a very long way. So it's best not to try and use a lot because it will be a lot. I'm about to put on my war stripes. I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to go ahead and set the highlighted areas that we just applied it to. The BH Cosmetics contour palette. So it looks like this, and I'm going to use these two. So you can tell one of them is a more pink colored undertone and one is more of a yellow. So if you look at my skin really closely, I have more of a yellow undertone. So we're going to go ahead and apply the yellow undertone product. The contour part of the application. For contour, you can go ahead and use that same Dermacolor palette, or I'm using actually this Maybelline color stick. So you can see right here, you want to go at least 2 or 3 shades darker, and then you'll be able to blend it afterward. Okay, so you start from the corner of the lip right here, and you go up to the middle of the ear right here. So that's where you want to do the contour. So you can see right here, I'm just going to stop about halfway. little bit, and then you're going to do up right there. Go in and we're going to blend it all out. So notice how I'm blending upward, because if you blend downward it's going to start to look messy. Actually do this color right here. So we're going to go ahead and set it. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to blush. I'm going to use this N-News palette. So this palette has a lot of different colors, which is super nice. I got this in makeup school, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one here, and then we're going to use this one as the highlighter. So you want to apply the blush to the apples of the cheeks, and you want to make it look as natural as possible. So if I were to smile, you'd see the blush. Because I don't know if you've ever seen someone that's put the blush on, but they like put it all the way up here. Yeah, it doesn't look natural. So it's like all, like when you were doing makeup on yourself or with other people, you want to apply it to like the most natural place. Highlighter time. Grab the highlighter color, and you're just gonna apply it to the highlighter areas. And you're done. So if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and make any requests that you have, and I will make sure to do it, and I promise I'll get it done. So like and subscribe if you liked it.